Assalamualaikum. My name is Badrul Muhayyab bin Anwar Musyadah, metric number 262920. So, today I would like to present about 6C of communication in hospitality operation management. For the first, clear. Speaking clearly with your customer is an extremely important skill. You want to be able to explain procedure, policy and other aspect of your company to your customer so they walk away without any question. Clear speaking also give the customer a good impression of you as well as your company. Customer do not want to speak with someone who numbless or cannot articulate points clearly. Speaking clearly leave no room for error. Both you and the customer have a solid understanding of the company or the issue that you are fixed to them. This sort of understanding will lead to a long-lasting relationship with the customer. The ability to communicate clearly when working with the customer is the key skill because miscommunication can result in disappointment and frustration. The best customer service professional know how to keep their communication with customer simple and leave nothing to doubt. Number 2 is concise. If you want to run a successful business, you have to learn to be precise and get your point across quickly with any delays. In order to maintain an effective business communication, it is very important to use a concise and straightforward language in a way that get the point across completely and in a manner that encourages efficient action from your business partner and client. There are many service providers who offer language translation, working as an agency with an expert team of qualified and experienced translators to provide complete language solution. Perfect translation need to the expertise of a translator who has knowledge about the relevant industry, the target language as well as the culture, in case you are looking for language translation solution. For getting your business document translate in other language, it is highly advisable to hire the document translation service agency. For 3, correct. Customers do not always self-diagnose their issue correctly. Often, it's up to the support rep to the initiative to reproduce the trouble at hand before navigating a solution. That means they need to intuit not just what went wrong, but also what action the customer was ultimately after. A great example, if somebody write in because they are having trouble resetting their password, that's ultimately because they want to log into their account. A good customer service interaction will anticipate that needs and might even go to extra mile to manually perform the reset and provide new login details, all while educating the customer on how they can do for themselves in the future. In other action, a problem solving pro may simply understand how to offer preemptive advice or a solution that the customer doesn't even really realize in option. For complete. In customer service, make waste. Hiring detail-oriented people will go a long way in meeting the need of your customer. 1. They will be sure to get to the real heart of a problem before firing off a reply. There's nothing worse than expecting a solution only to have it miss the mark entirely on solving the actual issue. 2. They forfeit. A thoughtfully written response can lose a lot of its problem-solving luster if it's riddled with typos. 3. The And this one may be the most important. It means they regularly follow up. There's nothing more impressive than getting a note from a customer service rep saying, "Hey, remember that bug you found that I said we're looking into? Well, we fixed it." That's a loyal, lifetime customer you just earned. An important side note, the best hire are able to maintain their methodical grace under regular fire. Since the support team is often tasked with the thought work and cleaning up other people's mess, it's especially important they understand how to internalize the urgency and potential of frustrated customer. Instead, they know how to keep a cool head and a steady guiding hand. Number 5. Coaches. Effective customer service means having the ability to make the minor change in your conversational pattern. This can truly go a long way in creating happy customer. Language is a crucial part of persuasion, and people, especially customer, create perception about you and your company based on the language that you use. For the example, let's say a customer contact your team with an interest in a particular product, but that product happen to the back order until next month. Responding the question with positive language can greatly affect how the customer hears the response. Last but not least, concrete. That is what you want, but a great work ethic and a willingness to do what needs to be done and not take a shortcut is a key skill when providing the kind of service that people talk positively about. The most memorable customer service story out there, many of which had a huge impact on the business, were created by a single employee who refused to just follow the standard process when it comes to helping someone out.